stopped for a moment and I said, for just 10 or so minutes today, I'm going to give this platform. And I thought, and I said, what do I want to say to the people in the room and the people who are listening to this conference? So recently, I hope, like a lot of people my age, I was having a bit of a reevaluation about myself, about what I want out of life, and so on and so forth. But I didn't really know where to look. So then I decided, I said, okay, let me start by looking to the people who I look up to. And that's when I started compiling a list of all the people who inspire me and influence me. All the people who inspire me and influence me. Now, I mean, over here I have like Marie Abramovich, Lee Miller, Lady Gaga, Jane Fonda, Liza Minnelli, anyway, Diane Arbus, a lot of different people from the arts. And then I said, I consider myself to be a person that's very much influenced by other people. So once I compiled this list, then I started writing a bit of a short essay on each of them and saying what inspires me the most about them and what influences me. Now I came to the common denominator that they're all women, they're all artists, and they all shocked the public in some way or another. Now, empowerment doesn't necessarily equate to having a stiff upper lip, which many a time people have a bit of a misconception about it. But in fact, many of these people actually shocked the public through their vulnerability, and in my opinion, that's what makes them so empowering. So take Tracy Emin and Diane Arbus, for instance, the artists, where Emin's unmade bed and Arbus's photographs of outcasts in society, they reflect themselves. They're almost, well, they are autobiographical works, which reflect some of the hardest times during their life. And I find this exceptionally shocking as well, when you consider that some of these artists, like Diane Arbus, actually came from success. So Arbus was a very highly successful fashion photographer. Her work was featured in magazines like Vogue, Harper's Bazaar, and so on. But then she made the conscious decision to stop photographing all of these glamorous models and celebrities, and she started photographing outcasts. She started photographing men who dress as women, and giants, and even dwarfs and midgets, and were the outcasts of society. But the reality is that in them, in these outcasts, she saw herself. So they provoked and they shocked the public, but essentially she was capturing the truth within her. Now, what I find particularly interesting is that when you look at her art, you can pinpoint the exact moment when this shift happened within her. You can see the moment when she stopped photographing the models and she started photographing the outcasts. And I find this very similar as well to the life and career of Jane Fonda, the actress. So in her early years, she often took on the roles of, Diane Arbus, Jane Fonda, the actress. In her early years, she often took on the roles of ingenues, the very innocent female in films such as Toy Story and the French film La Career as well. And this very much reflected herself as a woman at the time. So the roles she was taking on in films reflected her actual personality as well. And essentially she was the innocent female who was just there for the male gaze, to evoke pleasure from the male gaze, very much in the same way as Titian's Venus of Urbino did, the painting. So I find it very interesting to compare all of these. But then